Hi, my name is Farhan Khan and I'm pursuing a PhD under supervision of Professor Dirk Birch, co-supervised by Professor Cormac Sheenan at Confirm Center based in the University College Cork, Ireland. We all have heard about much anticipated fifth generation of mobile networks, 5G, which is designed to provide more connectivity than was ever available before. In this era of futuristic networks, 5G will not only be deployed for consumers but also has application in smart industries. The modern state-of-the-art smart factories require to support high data rates and better connectivity, as well as very low latency and very high reliability. To deal with this issue, my research is focusing on exploring, analyzing performance of 5G wireless systems for factory automation. In a manufacturing settings, this means improvement to wireless connectivity. As a result of my research, it would probably enhance productivity and safety by improving the ability of thousands of wireless machines to talk to each other with high-speed wireless connectivity in real time. Lastly, I would like to say that I'm very much excited for the Engineers Week and I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you very much.